Affiliate Marketing with AI 2026. If you've been searching for affiliate marketing with AI in 2026 and wondering how beginners are using artificial intelligence to make money online faster than ever before, this video is exactly for you. Because right now, AI is completely changing affiliate marketing. What used to require content writers, video editors, designers, websites, and expensive software can now be done dramatically faster using AI tools and automation systems. And honestly, this is creating one of the biggest online opportunities for beginners right now. People are using AI tools to generate content, automate workflows, create faceless videos, write scripts, and build affiliate commissions online directly from their phones and laptops. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how affiliate marketing with AI works, how beginners are using AI-powered faceless content to generate traffic, and the exact business-in-a-box system helping people shortcut the learning curve in 2026. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to explain how AI automation works, how beginners are posting content consistently without burnout, and why this is one of the easiest entry points for making money online right now. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, faceless Reels library, automation systems, and training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now because this channel is all about affiliate marketing with AI, faceless content, AI tools, passive income strategies, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, what exactly is affiliate marketing with AI? Affiliate marketing with AI simply means using artificial intelligence tools to speed up and automate parts of the affiliate marketing process. And honestly, this is changing the game for beginners because AI removes many of the barriers that used to stop people from getting started online. Today, AI can help generate video ideas, viral hooks, captions, scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, landing page ideas, and even faceless videos automatically. That means beginners can now create content dramatically faster while staying consistent. And consistency is one of the biggest keys to affiliate marketing success. Now, the business model I'm talking about in this video combines AI-generated content, short-form social media, affiliate marketing, and automation systems. Why does this work so well? Because attention online is exploding. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. People spend hours scrolling every single day, and creators using AI tools can now produce content much faster than traditional creators. That means more posts, more reach, more traffic, and more opportunities for affiliate commissions. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions beginners have is thinking they need massive audiences before they can make money online. That's not true. You need targeted traffic and consistency. Even smaller creators can generate affiliate commissions if the content reaches the right audience consistently. That's why affiliate marketing with AI is becoming one of the biggest opportunities for beginners in 2026. Now let's talk about how the process actually works. The process is simple. You create or post content. People watch your videos. Some viewers click your affiliate links. Sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. And depending on the affiliate offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. Now, one of the biggest problems beginners face is content creation. Most people don't know what to post, how to edit, how to create hooks, or how to stay consistent. That's why most people quit too early. But inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content almost immediately without creating every video from scratch. You can customize the content if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, include affiliate links, and start building traffic right away. And honestly, This is one of the biggest reasons affiliate marketing with AI is growing so fast right now. Now, if you want access to the same Faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another huge feature inside the platform is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is extremely important because attention is everything online. If your content doesn't hook people in the first few seconds, they scroll immediately. That's why creators spend so much time trying to come up with hooks and content ideas. But AI tools can now generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. That means beginners can create content dramatically faster without burnout. And honestly, creators using AI tools right now have a massive advantage because they can produce more content consistently. Now let's talk about why short-form content works so well for affiliate marketing with AI. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are heavily pushing short-form videos. That means even small creators can get views. You do not need millions of followers. You do not need expensive cameras. And you definitely do not need to become some influencer personality. Even brand new pages can start generating traffic if they post consistently. That's why AI-powered affiliate marketing is becoming such a huge opportunity in 2026. Now, another thing I really like about this business model is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without constantly showing their face or personal identity online. Faceless content solves that problem. You can create motivation videos, AI clips, business edits, finance content, quote videos, tutorials, or viral-style reels completely faceless. And some faceless pages are getting millions of views. Now, another huge advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One video can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means more exposure without creating extra work. More exposure means more opportunities for clicks and affiliate commissions. And because AI speeds up content creation, scaling becomes much easier. Now let's talk about workflow because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard. Grab a few faceless reels. Generate hooks or captions with AI. Upload content across multiple platforms. Add affiliate links. Reply to comments. Repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. Now, another feature included inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually, people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up matters so much in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a huge amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand affiliate marketing with AI better, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people trying to learn AI-powered affiliate marketing in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials about AI tools, affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, faceless content, and beginner-friendly online business ideas. Now, obviously, this is not some overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency. But compared to traditional online businesses, affiliate marketing with AI combined with faceless content is one of the lowest barrier opportunities available in 2026. No inventory, no shipping, no websites, no coding, no customer support, just content plus affiliate links. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They keep researching, they keep watching videos, but they never actually post content consistently. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum every single day. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now. Learn as you go. Improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about learning affiliate marketing with AI and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, affiliate marketing strategies, faceless content methods, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.